Hello, friends. Welcome again on this channel. And today we are going to start SQL. As you know, SQL is very important if you are seeing any dream to be a data scientist. And this is a important parameters. Without this, you cannot think about to control any database or data types, right? So let's take some flavor of the SQL. What is SQL? If we talk about the SQL, it's a structured query language, which is a standard language for the accessing and manipulating the database. And if I talk about the SQL, who can use this? As a data scientist, you can use this. As a simple accountant, also you can use this. As a business professional, you need control over the data. And as a developer, you need this. So basically, in the four field, we can use the SQL, and it's a simple structured query language which always help to assessing the data in a quick without spending time, you can say. It's a total, you can say it's a total control over the data with a quick seconds, right? Where SQL help you. If I talk about the SQL command types, so we have to understand first what is the SQL stage. It's a DDL, data definition language. It's a DQL, data query language. DML, data manipulation language. And DCL, data control language. And you can see some functions below there. Like in a DDL, we will use create, alter, drop, rename, and tunet. In a DQL, we will use select function. In the DML, we are going to use insert, update, delete, and merge. In a DCL, we are going to use grant and revoke. So for the theoretical purpose, this is good to know this time what is the SQL command types, and further we will do this practically on SQL server, right? If I talk about the tables and SQL, what do you mean by the tables? Okay. So table is a database objects which comprise row and columns. So here you can see I am seeing a one database. I am seeing approx 7 rows including the header, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 approx 6 columns. So the combinations of the all the columns and all the rows are called tables. Remember guys, it's not only row, it's not only column, it's a combination of the both. Got it? So this is called tables. If I talk about the fields only, so field is a specific information which is contained only in a one column. If you see the arrow and if you see the data, I have selected only one field, specific information related to that column, that is called field. If I just go to row wise, this is called records. If I have a information related to an individual entry means the whole entry. One line include all columns data, that is called one entry. One entry is called one record. So we can see column information is called a field and a row information is called records. If I say here, so you can see easily record is a row wise data which contains information from the all the columns, and field is a specific one column data which contains the specific information from all the rows. Got it? Thank you so much. This is all the basic for the SQL, and we are going to learn something new and practical in the SQL next video. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.